Hey everybody, in this quick video, we're going to be replacing a toilet flush lever. So let's get started. So first we're going to be removing our old handle. And the reason I'm replacing it, as you can see here in just a sec, is that ours cracked. You can see there around right there on the bottom. It just finally snapped after years of wear and tear. And it's just cheap plastic, so I wanted to replace it with a kind of heavy-duty metal one. And so all you got to do is pop out your old handle, and then you have to take out the lever right here. So we're going to disconnect the hook and chain right there. Just pop that right off. There we go, and let it sink in the water. And then now we're going to be taking off the chain and the two locking clips from the new lever system. And then we're going to be disconnecting, and I said chain earlier, I meant that hook. We're going to be disconnecting this hook from that locking pin because we're going to use that in the toilet later. And so now that we've got all the locking clips taken out, we're going to be separating all your pieces and then putting it back together in the toilet bowl. So just pop off the lever arm and then pop off the elbow. And we're going to be unscrewing this nut here, and it's reverse threaded, so it's going to unscrew the opposite way than you're used to. And we're just going to take this off of the handle. And also, just to let you know, this is I believe, Korky brand of toilet lever. I just got it from Lowe's. And so now we're going to put the handle and the nut into, attach it to your toilet bowl. And I had this like little piece of plastic inside that hole right there from the old handle, and that just popped out too. This lever wouldn't fit into it. And all you do is you screw it on and make sure it's secure. It's super simple. I just did it by hand. I didn't use any tools in this video at all. And then now we're going to put the elbow on, and we're not going to put it straight on. We're going to put it on at a 30-degree angle, and it kind of automatically slides in that way. So there's no need to like measure or anything. And then we're going to put on the actual lever arm onto the elbow. So grab your arm, and you can see it's Korky brand there, and then just pop that right on, and there you go. So that goes on at an angle too. Now we're going to put the locking clips back in, and they fit in either spot. So if you get them mixed up, it doesn't matter, they're the same. And so are the actual locks inside. And so we'll just clip those back into the two spots on the arm and the elbow. Boom, there you go. They just slide in and click. Pretty simple. And then next, we're going to want to reattach the chain. So we're going to grab our new hook, and we're going to take off the old hook, pop the new hook onto the chain, and then the hook onto the actual lever. And I put it onto the third hole in there. And you want it to have as minimal slack as you can, but mine had a little bit of slack, and it's okay. And then that's pretty much it. Then you flush and done. You just want to make sure that your arm is clearing the toilet bowl when you flush, and also the top, so it's not hitting it, which is why partly you install at an angle, and then you're good to go.